Working with teens in solution-focused therapy isn't about controlling behavior, it's about empowering identity. Adolescence is a time of searching, shifting, and self-definition. SFT honors that process by focusing on strengths, not deficits. We begin by creating safety without judgment, pressure, or pretense. Because teens can tell when you're not being real, and they'll shut down fast. Instead of asking what's wrong with you, we ask, what would be different if things were better for you? What kind of person do you want to become? These questions speak to identity, not just outcomes. They invite agency, vision, and self-direction. Scaling still works with a twist. On a scale of 0 to 10, how much do you feel like yourself today? What number would feel like the real you? We look for moments where they felt strong, proud, or clear. We highlight those, and we stay flexible. Some teens want deep talk, others want quick check-ins, movement, or creative tools. We adapt. We use their language, their metaphors. What would level up look like for you? What's a small win in your world right now? SFT with teens often involves reframing, turning so-called problems into clues of potential. You stood up for yourself? Sounds like you care about fairness. You feel everything deeply? That's emotional intelligence. We reflect back effort and choice. You showed up, that matters. You kept thinking even when it was hard. That's strength. We also make space for silence, for humor, for contradictions. Because identity work isn't linear, it's layered. Compliments here are real and specific. I noticed you spoke up today when it counted. That's leadership. And we don't force hope. We invite it. What's something you're looking forward to, even a little? If things were better in 6 months, what would you be proud of? We support them as co-creators of their own story. SFT doesn't tell teens who they are. It helps them discover who they want to be. Because when a teen feels seen, respected, and believed in, they rise. And that's what this work is really about.